Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, the Save Incoming Media settings cannot be switched on because WhatsApp does not have access to your photos or videos. To enable access, tap Settings and turn on Photos. So how you can fix it? So now just tap on the settings, and in the settings you need to find turn on camera. Near camera you just need to turn on. So now you just go, let's go back and let's try again. So let's go again here. We need in photos we need to see to choose not known but all photos. And now let's go back. So now you can see that we successfully enabled this option. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.